The Easypet 3 is an electronic pipette helper operated with serological pipettes. It is mainly used in cell culture. The user controls the speed of the Easypet 3 by simply pressing the aspirate and dispense buttons. The speed does not have to be set in advance. For fast aspiration, press the aspirate button down completely. For fast dispensing, press the dispense button down completely. Very slow aspiration and dispensing of small volumes is possible by just applying light pressure to the control buttons. To clean the Easypet 3, unscrew the aspirating cone by turning lightly counterclockwise. Open the new sterile membrane filter and insert the female lure lock into the silicone adapter. Attach the filter to the Easypet 3 and screw on the aspirating cone clockwise.